Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to install SQL Server 2019 and how to install SQL Server Management Studio SSMS in Windows 11. So I'm going to open favorite browser Google Chrome and search for SQL Server 2019 download. Go to official website. I have provided this link in the description as well. Scroll down a little bit. Here we have two editions. One is developer and one is express. In this video I am showing the developer one. Click on download now. Click on save. I'm opening that location. So here we have downloaded file. So I'm just opening that. So here we have three types of installation. One is basic and custom and download media. I'm going to select the download media. So English, I'm selecting as ISO file and download location and click on downloads. It's take around 10 to 15 minutes to download it. I have already downloaded it and I am opening that file. Once the download completed, it will be like this. So it is ISO file. Just right click on that. It will show these options. Click on mount. You can see here setup file. Right click on it and click on open. Click on yes. This is the panel. It looks like. Click on installation. Click on the first option. Here we need to select the developer edition. So I'm selecting developer one and click on next. It is asking for license terms and condition. We need to accept it on this and click on next. Scanning all the details. It's take few minutes. Click on next. Here we have couple of options. I'm selecting database engine. If you want, you can select according to your usage. And here we have analytic services. So whatever option you required, you can be selected. So analytic and integration services. So as of now, I'm selecting only database engine services and the location. I'm giving it as here and click on next. So I'm giving it as default instance. Click on next. It's going to show server configuration. Here it is asking for SQL Server agent manual. So I'm making it as automatic. And this is disabled, so I'm making it as manual. And in the other tab we have collision option. So by default it will be in English. So if you want, you can change it by click on customize. Here Windows collision. Here we have different languages. You can select whatever you need. So I'm giving it as default. Clicking on next. So database engine. So here I am giving as mixed mode authentication and giving password, adding the current user and in data directories. So here everything was in C drive location. If you want, you can change it to any preferable drive. MDP here in data directories is in C location and in log directories I am changing it to log. So log files and data files will be stored in this location. Max DOP I'm making it as default. Memory also default. File stream enable. So I'm not enabling it now. If you want, we can change these options later also after installing it. Clicking on next. This is the summary with what we have selected and all. You can cross verify from here. And the default location is C drive. And click on install. So the installing has been started. So it takes few minutes. Everything got successful and you can click on close. Cross verify it, go to search and search for SQL Server 2019 configuration manage. Right click on it, run as administrator, click on yes. SQL Server, you can see SQL Server has been running. It is on automatic. So now we will see how to install SSMS. So in the same panel we have install SQL Server Management Tool. Click on that. It will navigate to the browser. Here we can see download SSMS pre-download. So click on that. You can see download has been started. I have already downloaded it, so I'm pausing it. I'm opening that download file. So this is the download file. Right click on it and click on open. Oh, here it is asking for location. So I'm not changing it. I'm making it as default and click on install. Installation has been completed successfully. You can close this. So now we can search for SSMS. So here we can see Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. Click on that, run as administrator. SSMS has been installed successfully.